In the last lecture we have already seen class C chopper fed DC motor, PMDC motor. Right, already have discussed class A chopper, class B chopper and class C chopper with the PMDC motor. Now today I want to go for 1 HP DC motor by using class D chopper, how the voltage is controlled, how the speed is controlled. Now see, this is your class D chopper where S1, S2 and D1, D2. Right. First, initially when S1 and S2 are turned on, the current flows from this plus Vs S1 RL load S2 and to the return path. Now this is the reference current direction and the reference voltage. Whatever the current you are getting from S1 and S2 which is following your reference one, therefore current is positive, voltage is positive. This is the first quadrant operation. So when S1 S2 conducts, you are getting first quadrant. That means voltage is positive, current is positive. Voltage is positive, current is positive. Now in this case what happens, the inductor gets energized, right? This is the polarity, right? So now at this instant I will switch off this S1 and S2 and immediately the polarity of the inductor is reversed to get in the same current direction. Therefore the current flows this inductor and D1 and the source and to the D2 and to the return path. Now because of this polarity is reverses, your output voltage also changes. But whatever the current direction here, which is same as that of your previous mode 1. So therefore current is positive but voltage is negative. So therefore you will get the fourth quadrant operation. Now by using this one, we are going to implement by using this class D chopper with 1 HP DC motor. This is 1 HP DC motor. Now I will show how this motor is going to be rotated. Right here, this is switch S1 and this is switch S2, and 2 diodes I have taken here from this kit. I have taken 2 diodes, right, anode and cathode, right, 2 diodes I have used, and this is a DC supply. See, this is the DC supply, 220 volts DC supply we are getting here, and this is a armature and field terminals. Right, the motor is presented here. Right, the motor is presented here. Of course, now I will show how when the motor is rotating. Now this is the supply voltage. We are getting the supply. So now I will increase this duty cycle and see the motor starts rotating. See, the motor starts rotating now. Right, with the speed of some 400, 430, something like that you are getting. This is the speed. Right, now we will discuss the CRO waveforms. So now I said that firstly when S1 and S2 are turned on, what happens? Positive output voltage will get. So now if you see here, see clearly, when S1 and S2 are turned on, positive output voltage. At that time, what is the current? The current will be increasing nature. See, the current is also increasing nature. Now at this instant, what happens? S1 and S2 are turned off. Right, once S1 and S2 are turned off, as per theoretical, once S1 and S2 are turned off, you are getting diodes conducting into the picture. But what is the voltage? Negative voltage. In this instant, what is the current? Discharging. Right, the energy stored in the inductor is discharging here. So see, this is the current is discharging and the output voltage is like this. Right. Now if I vary the duty cycle, now this pulse output voltage is varies like this as per the duty cycle. Right. Now coming to the motor speed is varying or not, we can see by increasing the duty cycle. So now it is showing some around 739 RPM. So now I will change the duty cycle. Now observe the speed, whether it is decreasing or not. See, it is decreasing and finally it reaches to 0. Again I am increasing. See the speed. So 220, 316, 421 and 531 like this. That means by using this class D chopper we can also control the speed. But what happens here? First quadrant and fourth quadrant operation will be achieved. So this is about class D chopper. Thank you.